So let's roll right into the next question, which is you took Tirzepatide. I've taken Tirzepatide. You took Tirzepatide. I think we used Semaglutide at first, so you can speak to which one is better or worse. I think they're both excellent products. For me, Tirzepatide was more effective. Semaglutide was effective, but Tirzepatide was more effective. Audrey sort of hit like really good success at first, and then sort of hit like a bump in the road where just sort of flatline, wasn't losing much weight. So we picked up using Tirzepatide a little bit again, just also for her to experience both and to get over that little hump, that little hurdle. And I think it was beneficial. So, personally, I lost more weight, almost too much weight when I took the Tirzepatide, but great product. What are your thoughts on the Tirzepatide versus Semaglutide, your experience, weight loss?
I loved it. Like, I'm not trying to sound like I really, really liked it. I preferred the Tirzepatide over the Semaglutide, but like I said, I didn't have any side effects with either. I just felt like I felt a little bit better on the Tirzepatide, and I saw a little bit better weight loss.
Yep.
So like I've said, I really, really liked both of them. Again, with Tirzepatide, I will say the Semaglutide, it's a little bit inevitable that you will have to increase the dose as time goes on. But the Tirzepatide, it really doesn't take much, and you can stay at a very minimal low dosage and see really great results. So
yeah, we found that a lot of people have really good success at the first dose. Most people have success, if not at the first dose, the second dose. And every once in a while, people have to go a little bit higher than that. But ultimately, it's pretty effective. And we see really great results. Of course, we think it's great when someone just uses it temporarily to lose the weight like you did.
Definitely.
I mean, to recap, Audrey started at 35% body fat. She's now around 20%. So she was right on the obesity, threshold. And without knowing it, of course, we never know. Like, we never really sort of realized where we're at health-wise. I didn't realize where I was at health-wise when I went on my journey. And then all of a sudden, when you finally get healthy, you realize sort of how bad you were.
Yeah.
But, great product.
Yeah.
Got you over the hurdle.
Yeah. Which one did you prefer?
I prefer Tirzepatide. I felt like the weight came off almost too fast.
Yeah.
And, it was at a time where I was plateaued. I really wasn't taking it to lose a lot of weight. But all of a sudden, I just was not eating much at all. And at the same time, I was eating healthier and I was working out. So the weight just sort of fell off for me. So I was very fortunate.
You liked it.
Yeah. So I would say a really great product. I have, only good things to say about it. And then, I was fortunate enough to only have used it temporarily. And like I said, I really wasn't trying to lose much weight. But it was very, very beneficial. And we just see such outstanding results with most of our clients that take it. So it's a really great product to help people who are struggling with their appetite.
Yeah, definitely. I think anyone that comes to us that's significantly overweight or has like a good amount of weight to lose, it's just like, just take it. Like it's just temporary to get the weight off, but you'll be happy that you did it.
Yeah.
It's a killer combination with like all the other products we've talked about. So
yeah, when you roll in hormones to help you build muscle, to give you energy, to speed up the metabolism, and at a minimum to make sure you're not losing muscle with the Tirzepatide or Semaglutide to help control the appetite, I think the weight really starts coming off, and then it's all fat or primarily fat. And in some cases, even building muscle while dropping fat like you did, which is outstanding. So it's a great tool to have in the toolbox, and it's helping a lot of people get healthier.
Definitely. I think it's a win. I loved it. I liked all of the products that we mentioned throughout this video. I would recommend them to anyone. Of course, get your levels checked and make sure that they would, be beneficial to you. But I liked them.
Yeah.
And I'm very fortunate that I had the ability to try all of them and reap the benefits of them all.
Yeah, I agree. Well, listen, thanks for joining the Rewind podcast and sharing your thoughts. And we will catch you all at the next episode.